strike the surface once and the entire room seems to settle into a deep, quiet calm. It looks like a piece of sleek space technology or a polished metal UFO sitting on your table. But the sound it produces is anything but robotic. This is a tool that bridges the gap between a high-end luxury spa and your own living room floor. Most musical instruments demand years of dedicated, painful practice. They want calloused fingers or thousands of hours of repetitive scales. This steel tongue drum throws all of those rules out the window. It is built for the person who wants to create something beautiful without the homework. This instrument is designed to recreate the feeling of total relaxation on demand. It is heavy and substantial in your hands. It feels solid. It feels expensive. The finish is perfectly smooth. The tongues are cut with such precision that the metal vibrates in a way that echoes through your chest. It is not just a sound you hear. It is a physical sensation you feel. People in yoga studios and professional sound therapy centers have been using these for a long time. Now they are finally going mainstream. The reason for this sudden explosion in popularity is simple. You literally cannot play a wrong note. Every single strike is harmonious with the next one. You do not need to understand complex music theory to make something that sounds professional and polished. It is completely hypnotic. In a quiet room, the resonance lingers in the air for a long time. The tones are warm and inviting. They never feel harsh or piercing like those cheap generic versions you find online. That is where the real quality shows itself. If you go with a budget version, you often end up with a tinny, metallic clank. This version gives you a deep, rich sustain that feels organic. You can use your fingers for a softer, more intimate touch. Or you can use the mallets for a more defined, bell-like strike. Both methods offer a different flavor of peace. There are different scales available depending on what you want. Some versions feel bright and energetic. Others feel more moody and introspective. It is an immediate reward system for your brain. You do not have to wait months to play a melody. You just start tapping. It is addictive. For anyone who feels overwhelmed by the daily grind, this is a secret weapon. It is a way to disconnect from the constant digital noise of life. You put down the screen. You pick up the mallets. Suddenly, the world feels a lot more manageable. It stands its ground against every major competitor in the market. While some brands focus on very airy tones and others focus only on being cheap. This drum hits the sweet spot. It offers a premium build and a professional sound quality. It is an investment in your own mental health. You are getting a piece of art that happens to make music. It is sturdy enough to last for years. It is beautiful enough to keep on display. It makes you feel like a musician the very first time you touch it. That is a rare and powerful thing to find, no matter your skill level. The result is the same, pure, unadulterated sound that calms the mind.